And for a final example in this video, we have a man 6 feet tall walks away from a lamppost 16 feet high at the rate of 5 miles per hour. How fast does his shadow lengthen? So basically, we can if we um, write the diagram, always draw the diagram, no, because it will help you understand the problem. Okay. So we see that the lamppost is 16 feet high, the man is 6 foot tall, and then it basically makes two triangles. No? We can use the concept of similar triangles again. So we have the first triangle and then we have the second triangle, right? So we can use that concept to um, get what is missing. So what is missing? ds over dt. So we need to check um, the change of the length of the shadow with time. No? So we are given that the man walks past the lamppost at 5 miles per hour. So that is your dx over dt. No? So if the man walks this direction, x lengthens or x increases, so it's a positive 5 miles per hour. So if that is the case, we can use similar triangles. No? Okay, we get 16 feet by x plus s, right? The height of the red triangle is 16 feet. Then the base is x plus s is equal to 6 feet over s, right? Okay, if we multiply both sides, wait lang. Let's write it in colors. So, makita natin 16, then x plus s, right? Tapos yung green naman, 6 over s. So, let's just eliminate the denominators, multiply by s and x plus s. Multiply both sides by x times x plus s. This will become 16s is equal to 6x plus s. When we simplify, it becomes 16s is equal to 6x plus 6s. Ayan. Then subtract 6s on both sides. You'll get 16s minus 6s. 16s minus 6s is equal to x. Then it becomes 10s is equal to 6x. Then we can write s as 6x over 10, no? Or 3 over 5x. Let's use this as our first equation. No need to write the equation pala, we can, we can derive na at this point, no? So it becomes ds over dt is equal to 3 over 5 dx over dt. Okay, but dx over dt, remember, is 5. So ds over dt is equal to 3 over 5 times 5 cancel out. Therefore, ds over dt is equal to 3 miles per hour. Okay, this is your final answer. Okay.